Alright, you fight the boss alone?
Tony, come up. Can I go out? Nope. Once you go in, you can't come out.
Yeah, I can.
Oh?
Cutscene. It's him. The fuck are you? He looks so ugly.
It's King of Nothing.
I like your cut, G.
This is phase 1. Phase 1.
Funny?
Should I get a shaped glass?
I might get a shaped glass.
I might get a shaped. There's one for me, one for you. You know.
Oh, hello, mushroom. Please don't spit on my boy.
Talk about a ballista.
Wait, I just heard a lunar coin.
And it buys the one behind
Yo,
it.
Tony, I just found a fungus, but there's a scrapper right there. You know what that means?
I'm cooming. Don't get rid of my backup mic. Like,
Everything else I like, so I'm gonna keep it. I just don't like fungus on mercenary for obvious reasons.
To make those rainbows in my mind when I think
What are
of you
you doing?
sometime, and I want to spend some time with you, just the two of us.
Wait, hold up, they're doing damage! No way! You ready to see how the boss does it?
I'm ready to see how the boss does it. Oh my god, he's in the rock!
Like if you look the right, if you do that, you just disappear from existence.
Wow, dude.
Just the two of us.
I guess I deserve that.
Pretty cool though. Did he do it?
Oh, dude.
Nah, he's dead.
What was that? What was that? What was that?
That's insane.
Yeah,
I
there's
would
like
try
a
to
big,
shoot him from here.
there's like a big nigga walking, and he fucking just like shot so many things at me.
No. Oh no. Oh, there's no way I'm making it back up there. Hello? If Lewis isn't gonna take it.
Dog,
I got
yeah?
I got a few array. Sorry.
No,
forgetting.
why did you get a
No, what? Marco, no!
Lewis, I can guarantee survival for me here. Not for you though.
Just let me
Bye,
heal now.
Lewis.
Run away.
Fuckers.
Okay.
Oh, you can proc it.
Watch this, Marco.
Oh, you Nucano's opinion. Yay!
Cheater.
Oh.
I'll see you guys later.
Bruh.
That was never an option. Yo, gesture of the drowned already? With the yo.
I'll race you.
Sure. Watch the schmoove.
That was a pretty good move.
Oh my god, I whiffed it this time.
Oh my god.
No!
Yo, Lil Garfield is a little fucking tarded bitch. Cannot rap and a nigga always farting. Got a fucking tail like a motherfucking furry. Stare a nigga dick till his eyes go blurry. Lil faggot here blowing shit like a McFlurry. In and out ass like a whole bowl of curry. All a nigga got is gays, buys, and rhymes. All in the day of a lil faggot prime. Scoring bitches out like a fucking lemon lime. Blowing hella pipes, piping hella fucking time. Yeah.
How did you pull that off?
Ah, let's go!
I just did the Michael Jackson! How he stand on 10 perk? How did you land on me so perfectly?
Yeah.
What are these things?
Summons enemies nearby. That's caught.
Alright, can I go through bottom TP?
I'll buy two. 'Cause I need...
Wait.
Brittle crown.
Brittle. Oh god.
Bitch, oh,
No,
yikes.
Daniel.
Daniel's build is just gone.
Daniel.
Yo, tell me if we find
This
them.
one's big boys. This one's big boys. Daniel, please don't die there.
Ah, yes.
That would be a
Look
nice
at your guys in this.
Socially smart.
What the
That's so
fuck?
funny. That's funny.
I'm losing so much money.
Perfect timing.
Oh, that's cute.
It's
Self
fucking-
himself and the big guy. Why is it
I'm losing so much money.
Look at this. Look at this.
He's spilling gold everywhere.
Dude, he's getting farmed. I literally only lose one.
Thomas, would you mind?
He died. He died.
How?
But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like
It's so sad Steve Jobs died of
Who the hell is Steve Jobs?
Ligma Ball.